Okay, I added my 1 parsnips, 3 carrots, and 3 to 4 celery. I make these really big because my daughters love the carrots and they're starting to grow on the celery, but I just put it out there so in case they don't like it, they can pick it out. The chicken is here on the side resting, and then now I'm going to add onions, 1 medium onion, and a half of Poblano pepper. And then my 3 cloves of garlic. So everything is nice and mixed. In here, big chunks. Sometimes I make smaller chunks of, chop them in smaller pieces, but I'm gonna keep it nice and large today in case anybody needs to pick them or move them to a side. It'll be easier to pick out. All right, and then I'm gonna add my chicken back. I do have some peas I'll add in here possibly, but I won't do that until I'm ready to serve this. I'm gonna put these back in. It's pretty much cooked through. It probably needs a little bit more. Let it cook through, and then when it's done, just shred them. Add my red enchilada sauce because I need to use it all up. And what better way to do it than something like this? And there's the chicken broth. I'll put this whole thing in there. And like I said, I might put my peas, green peas in there. If not, I'm certainly gonna add some kale, but I'll add the kale before I am ready to serve. About 6 cups total. Cook it about 20 to 25 minutes on medium low.